You know, not too long ago, I was you. I was good looking, vital, top of my game. I walked into a room and people paid attention. My swagger had swagger, you know. You get used to feeling that way. You think that's how it will always be. And then you realize people stopped seeing you a long time ago. You're halfway to invisible.
Well, I'm sure that'll never happen to you, Jack.
She dismissed me from the fucking meeting, Coop. I ran $2 billion for her, and she sent me off to eat fucking fish eggs. Well, you closed the deal. You fuck her. You fucked her. Enjoy it while you can, Coop. Doesn't last nearly as long as you think it will. One day you're gonna wake up and you're not gonna be you anymore. You're gonna be me. And you're gonna realize you haven't been the guy that you thought you were for a long time. I gotta tell you, when that realization sinks in, it's fucking terrifying.